तो कलर करेक्टर का यूज करूंगी तो 5 स्टेप्स होगा क्या 1 2 3 4 5 I don't know 1 2 3 4 yeah Hey guys, it's me Sahnaz and welcome back to my channel and welcome to this setup after 9 months. So I'm ready with my setup. My mirror is here, my brushes are here. So yeah, today's video is gonna be a makeup video. So I think you guys have already seen the title and you are very much familiar with the new trend which is going on, that is the clean makeup look. So today I'm going to do that makeup look but with a twist. So this makeup look since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I think kal ya parso it's gonna be Valentine's Day. So I am going to add a Valentine's Day kind of spice to this look. Wow, spice. Yeah, so I'm gonna add a Valentine's Day touch to this look. So yeah, बहुत चपर कर लिया है. Now without much blabbering, let's get started. Okay, I totally forgot to tell you guys ये Valentine's Day वाला touch and spice बताते वक्त मैं भूल ही गई. In today's video, I am not gonna use a lot of product. In fact, I have only 5 products right here in front of me, and I'm just gonna use these 5 products to create this nice, clean, trendy makeup look. So yeah, that is another twist, if that counts. Anyways, now let's move on to the makeups. Okay, so first up I'm gonna use my color corrector, obviously. So for color corrector, I'm using the Elegir Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer or color corrector. You can use anyone of your choice, obviously, and this is an orange color corrector. So I'm just going to use it on my dark circles and the areas where I have pigmentation, nowhere else. Now obviously I'm going to blend this using my fingers because I think fingers do the best work. Okay, so I said that in this video I'm going to use just 5 products, but I ended up using a color corrector, so that adds to it and it is 6 products. But as I said earlier, this is very optional. If you do not have dark circles and pigmentation like mine, then you do not need to use this. So basically it is a 5 product makeup routine. So let's move on to the next step. So for the next step I'm going to use a primer, a glowy face primer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminex face primer from their Photo Focus range. Now this face primer is actually like a liquid highlighter, so I really like to use this on the highest points of my face. So firstly I am going to use this on my cheekbones, my nose area, and yeah, basically there. I'm not going to use it anywhere else, just on my cheekbones and my nose area. I'll add a little bit on my forehead also, just to have that extra glow and shine. Now what I'm gonna do is I have some leftover highlighter here on my hands, as you can see. So I'm going to use this and a little bit more for my next step. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, so for my next step I'm going to use a foundation. You can also use a concealer if you want to, but I'm going to use a foundation because the foundation that I have with me is actually my perfect match rather than the concealer. So as I said in the previous step, that I'm going to use this leftover primer. So for foundation I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 220. Natural beige, I guess. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take this foundation. I already have the primer on my hands, and I'm gonna take half a pump of the foundation. You can see. Okay. So I mix the foundation. Now I will dot the foundation only on the areas where I have applied my color corrector, not all over my face. Okay. Now I do have some leftover foundation on my hand which I'll use later on, but first I will start blending my foundation. I'm taking a beauty blender. This is not a damp beauty blender. You can use a damp beauty blender also, but I don't have time right now to damp this and then wait for it to dry. So yeah, I'm just going to start by blending my mouth area, and then I'll move on to my eyes. And while blending the foundation only, I will try to blend it on the other areas also where I have not applied the foundation, and then I'll take the leftover foundation directly on my beauty blender and then apply it on my face. I will not dot the leftover foundation on my face to give it a more natural look. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, so foundation is done, and as you can see, all my blemishes are not hidden and my face is still glowing. My dark circles are not completely concealed, but still it looks more polished and clean right now. I hope you understand. So now I am going to move on to the next step, which is blush. Now from now onwards, all the next steps that I'm going to do, I'm going to use just one product, and that's why I'm continuously looking at that product, and it is a lipstick. Now I can't tell you guys enough about how useful a single lipstick can be. So for today's video, the lipstick that I'm going to use is the Mars Cosmetics lipstick. This is their non-transfer butter stick lipstick, and it is in the shade 19 Quick Glam. Now I think you guys have already guessed, I'm going to use this lipstick as my blush, my eyeshadow, and also my lipstick. Okay, that's how I'm gonna sum up this whole video using just 5 products, 6. Okay, but usse pehle again we are gonna do the eyebrows. I don't know why I'm showing you all the products beforehand, like step by step karna tha na. See, I'm messing up. Okay, anyways, for eyebrows I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette. This is a very versatile palette. It has black, silver, brown and a wax shade, and it also has a very nice brush with it, which is very handy. So I'm going to use that brush only, and I'm going to use this waxy product from my palette and kind of try to create the whole soap brow trend that was trending. Okay, after applying the wax thingy, I am now going to use the silver color shade, not silver, sorry, grey color shade, and I'll use very little bit of that and apply it on the tail of my eyebrows. Okay, I think my eyebrows look perfect right now. So now that I've done them perfectly, I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is the mascara. So for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline New York Hypercurl Mascara. This is the non-waterproof version. I don't like using waterproof mascara because I have used waterproof mascaras in the past and it's really hard to remove them. So I try not to cry while wearing a mascara, and I try not to wash my face, and I try not to get wet in the rain. Can you guys see the difference between this eye and this eye? I am shocked. Like every time I wear a mascara, I always wear it underneath on top of my eyeliner, so it's not visible so nicely, but look at that. It looks like I have falsies on this eye and not on this eye. Like, wow, amazing. Today I am in love with this mascara a little bit more. Okay, mascara is done on my eyes. Right now looks like a doll. Totally loving it. Now we are gonna move on to the lipstick. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the lipstick at the back of my hand like this. Now this lipstick is very pigmented. As you can see, it's like super pigmented. So I'm gonna be very careful with it. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'll very lightly dab on it, okay, because it's very pigmented. So I don't want to look like a clown by the end of this. And I'll place my blush right here, okay, not here, right here, to give a uplifting effect to my face. You see, it's so pigmented. I'm gonna try to work with it. Oh shit. Repeating the same on the other side of my face. Now I'm not gonna contour my face, I'm just going to use my blush only. That's why I'm placing the blush here, so that it gives a lifted effect to my face. Now you can see it looks so cute. Absolutely love it. Now to give a little bit sun-kissed effect, I am going to take this again and use it on my nose area. Little bit on the chin as well, because why not? Okay, now for the next step, I'm going to use this same lipstick for my eyeshadow. It kind of gives the whole look a monochromatic vibe and a very clean look. So yeah, for eyeshadow, I'm going to use two brushes today. This is for placing the eyeshadow. This is a dense brush, stiff dense brush. This is not a blending brush, and this is a blending brush. I'll use this to blend the eyeshadow. Okay. Again, taking the same lipstick, and I'll take a little bit, one swipe this time, again on the back of my hand. First I'll use this stiff stippling brush to pick up the product, and then I'll place it on my outer crease, as you can see. Then I'll use this brush and try to blend it. Okay, so now that everything is so subtle and cute and you know, all of that, I am now going to add the Valentine's Day touch and spice to it. So I'm going to use this same red lipstick as my lipstick for today. Yes, I hope it will not ruin my look, because everything is very subtle on the face, so I am going to use a dark bold red lipstick. Okay, love it. Now this looks like a Valentine's Day look. Okay guys, so this is the final look and absolutely love how it turned out. But I also need to address that this lipstick, when you apply it, you have to be like very careful if you have small lips like mine. But it dries down. Okay, I love this formula. I love this formula. Oh my god, I didn't know this is the formula. I'm used to using very dry matte lipstick and it was like super buttery soft when I applied it, okay? But now it has dried down and it is not drying matte, as you can see. So when I first applied it, I thought that this is going to transfer like crazy dude, but look at this. I think I have hardly seen a bullet lipstick that don't transfer when you kiss. This is dried down like a liquid lipstick, but liquid lipsticks are very dry, and since this is a bullet lipstick, it's not so drying. I hope you guys understand, but I'm super excited and I'm going to order more lipstick from this range. Anyways, this is the final look. I have opened my hair, my curly hairs, and do let me know if you guys like this clip. My roommate gifted me this and I think this whole look turned out to be a very cute look, and if you are going out on Valentine's Day, then definitely you can follow this tutorial, do this look and slay. I think it's a very pretty cute look and I am all in for this clean makeup look. Do let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this look. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was helpful and I hope you have a great Valentine's Day with your loved ones and with yourself, if so. And yeah, if you guys like this video, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new here and if you're seeing this face for the very first time and if you like the vibe here, then do not go without hitting that subscribe button and the bell button right next to it. I'll be posting more videos, so stay tuned. Hit the bell icon to get notified, and yeah, share this video with your girlfriends if you want them to look this cute on Valentine's Day. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Also follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter. Please follow me there. And yeah, I'll link all the products in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out in case you love any of these products. And you should definitely check out this lipstick. Love it. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a new video and a new content. Bye bye.